what is business finance and what is financial management. So, finance is said to be the lifeblood of business. Without finance, it is nobody can carry out a business. So, how much finance is important to the business? Finance is defined as the provision of money at the time when it is required. So every business, whether it is small, medium, or big business, needs finance. It is said to be the life blood of any enterprise. And business finance mainly focuses on how much is the need of the finance and how much we want to utilize the finance. So what is the next concept is financial management. What is financial management? Financial management mainly focuses on planning and controlling a firm's financial resources. That is, in how much fund is required for a business for a particular period of time, and from which all sources we can get this fund, and where all sources we can invest this fund. It deals with finding out various sources for raising fund, and investing fund is also there. Financial management can be called as corporation finance or business finance. These are the three main pillars or elements of financial management, that is financial decisions, investment decisions, and dividend decisions. So which all are these three concepts? First one, financial decisions. Financial decisions mainly deals with the from where we can a firm or a company can acquire finance, from which all sources. We know that there are two types of sources. One is long-term sources and short-term sources. Short-term sources dealt with current liabilities, and long-term sources deals with capital structure, that is debt and equity. So financing decision mainly deals with this long-term financial decision, that is how much amount a firm has to invest in its debt from debt and how much they have to get from equity. So it is essential that a firm maintains a proper balance between this debt and equity. So which all sources will make optimal capital structure, and debt equity ratio should be fixed. The firm should fix in such a way that they should be having a minimum risk with maximum return. Second category is investment decision. This mainly deals with the asset side of the balance sheet. That is, a firm will be procuring fund from various sources, long-term sources, and for which all purposes a company uses this long-term sources. So that is known as capital budgeting decision or investment decision. That is the main decision. So investment decision or capital budgeting decision means the amount we invest now will be getting a benefit over a long period of time. For example, a firm will be investing in land and building, plant, machinery, furniture, fixtures, etc. Assess the profitability of the various projects, cost involved, and risk associated with the projects. The second category is short term, that mainly deals with working capital management. That is short-term funds or current liabilities, allocation of fund among cash and cash equivalents, receivables, and inventories. So here a firm should or a company should maintain a trade-off between liquidity and profitability. The third important category of decision is dividend decision. So what is dividend? Dividend is after earnings, the total earnings, which is deducted after paying interest and tax, what is the residual earnings left for a company? The earnings, whatever profit residual has, usually it is said that it belongs to the shareholders, equity shareholders. So dividend decision is an important decision which should be taken so that the shareholders will be happy, and by the time it will be affecting the share price and stock market prices of the firm. So distribution of profit back to the investors, that is known as dividend decision. How much they have to distribute, whether it is a full payout or a dividend has to be retained, or maybe a bonus shares has to be given. Such decisions will be taken here. So dividend is that part of profit of a company which is distributed by it among its shareholders. So the company has to decide whether it is a retention policy or payout, or if it is payout, how much percentage should be paid for shareholders. Thank you.